Hello my little pookies, I am back with the most awaited video. So today I'm going to be trying my soft girl makeup. This is basically like my everyday makeup, like my signature makeup look. It's very romantic, it's very soft, it's very like cutie soft core vibes, and it's Christmas Eve today. I don't know when this video will be edited and when this will go up, but I am addicted to this makeup. I might try different looks, like I might do like a hot glam, I might do like a baddie look, but I feel like this will always be my constant look. And over the years I have tried out a lot of different things to perfect this look, and today I am going to give you a little tutorial. I'm my worst enemy. मैं क्या EMI निकाल रही हूँ इस moisturizer की? Am I the right person to do this for a living? But touch wood, थू no नजर so क्योंकि मुझे अपनी स्किन की बिल्कुल परवाह नहीं है. Did you poop well today? Although my moisturizer is literally khali right now, I'm using the Clinique मॉइस्चराइजर सर्च, और मैं बहुत इसको किश्तों में निकाल रही हूँ फिलहाल. तो ड्राई स्किन में ही मेरे को 3-4 पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं, सो आई एम माई वर्स्ट एनिमी. मैं क्या EMI निकाल रही हूँ इस मॉइस्चराइजर की? So you really need a good moisturizer, gel based, whatever your skin type is, because you need to prep your skin. Actually, the main element of this look is your skin should look very shiny, very dewy, very glowy from within, and it should feel as natural as possible. We are trying to do very natural makeup that it looks like your skin. Although it is makeup, we have to use makeup smartly. It should look like it's a part of your face. First things first, I've got to complete my preps. I'm using Indiviles DLT. Love this. Smashbox, what it's called. Am I the right person to do this for a living? Because I sometimes feel like I'm really bad at this. Apparently, Ria Kohli recommended this, and I feel like this is one of the best finds ever. So, thanks, Ria. This is so cute. I love it. And it's so tinted also. So, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really nice, and I love it. So, I've just taken thodu sa, because gotta cover the skin. And it's great because it gives me that very dewy, glowy look. So it's very cute. I love it. And I feel like why wasn't I introduced to this earlier? Because पहले मैं primer के concept में इतना believe नहीं करती थी. I was like, yeah, whatever. But now, sir, I love it. Next, again, I'm using Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow all-in-one tinted moisturizer. So basically it's like a foundation tint, and it is great because it's not like a foundation. It's a really nice moisturizing tint which is great for the skin. So I really like it. Not me covering my pimples. The thing is, I just mostly need to do it around my acne here. एक तो मुझे आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा नज़र लगने लगेगा इस. पहले मेरे को इतना ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं होते थे. ऑफ कोर्स मैं वर्कआउट नहीं कर रही और पूरा दिन मैं डेजर्ट ठूसती रहती हूँ और मैं पूरा दिन रामेन खाती रहती हूँ और मैं अपने बेड से हिलती नहीं और मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस लेती हूँ. या श्योर, बट नज़र, येस, 100% इट इज़ नज़र. इट इज़ नॉट माई बैड हैबिट. इट इज़ जस्ट द बैड वाइब्स ऑफ द बैड पीपल. Much better. I feel like this should kind of become like my vlogging angle. What do you guys think? Maybe perfect. Cute. See, I love it. It is already looking so natural. It looks like skin. It looks so dewy. It looks so fresh. But I have more stuff to add. I love this product. Like, I love using this. It is very affordable also. This is Nykaa Glow All Day Strobe Cream. Now, you can use this as a highlighter. You can use this as a primer. But since I've already put on a primer, I'm going to use it as a little like strobe cream slash highlighter slash dewy thingy. Also, my mom is coming today, my dad is coming today, so I hope you guys are prepared for all those like family videos. Now I'm also gonna make a vlog with them if they cooperate, so I'm kind of excited, and this is the first time that they're coming to my house to spend Christmas with me. So I'm very excited because I'm gonna host it, although it's not like a huge deal. It's just going to be me, my family, someone, and yeah, that's all. So it's my little like my little home, my little cozy space, and I love it. Like, I just feel like if I have just these people by my side, everything is sorted. So touch wood, थू no nazar. Okay, I'll give you a reality check. मुझे वो strobe cream लगाने के बाद थोड़ा चिप लगता है. So I'm trying to find a middle ground where I don't have such a love-hate relationship with it, but I hope they work on the formula and make it better for girlies like me who just get an ick with everything. Okay, next up, I am using Fay Beauty's blush. Perfect. I am using Fay Beauty's new blush. I don't know what is the exact name for this blush, but it's amazing. Like, they send this to me as a PR with 3 more shades. I love them so much. Like, it is literally insane how good this blush is. And I'm not getting paid to say all of this. It's just that I've tried out their products and oh my god, they're so good. I even use their lip gloss on a daily basis. See, like, you see what I'm trying to say? It just blends perfectly and it gives you like subtle, like, oh, I have cold, oh my god. Like, I love putting blush on my nose. I just feel like it gives me this, oh my god, I have cold, like very like Twilight main character vibes. Also, I know you should be putting a blush on your cheekbones to give you that snatched look, but I just love putting it on my cheeks. Like, I just love sticking to the old methods, because जब तक cheeks पे नहीं आता ना, मुझे cute सी feeling नहीं आती है. So let's just trust the process. थोड़ा सा इधर भी लगा देती हूँ. Shit. This did not go how I planned. I think I'm coming through. Next up, I am going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think मेरे पास ये 3-4 सालों से it's so fucking old and it never expires. I don't know if it has, but it's still very full. It's a very good investment. I think थोड़ा expensive था. It was over like 2K or something, which is too much for a brow gel. But it's great. Like, it's one of the best I've ever used, and I've been using it for the last 2-3 years. So it's a great investment, I feel. I'm gonna just go in very lightly and fill up my brows. Now I'm gonna take the same brush and the same eyebrow gel and I love copyright to me, okay. So now I'm gonna make it look like a eyeliner, but like a smudged one. Okay, थोड़ा thick हो गया. Wait, I have a solution for everything. I'm gonna make it look like it belongs here, okay? Oh, I forgot to ask you guys something very important. Did you poop well today? Good. These questions are very important. Like, why is nobody asking me? You all ask me what is my lip combo. But did anyone ask me how's your gut health, Srishti? So important. Okay. You see what I'm trying to say? So one of my ex-best friends, she has really pretty hazel brown eyes, and she taught me this thing. She would actually do it with her kajal, and I think she would kind of like smudge it in, and she would do it with a brown liner, but brown liner again like looks very off sometimes. So I found a better way to do it with your eyebrow gel only. And yeah, I think it works really well, and it makes your eyes look like, I don't want to put anything niche because मेरे hooded eyes है. So if I put anything niche, my eyes will look really small. So I just put it थोड़ा ऊपर, and not like a defined eyeliner, but like a smudged one. And I think it just looks really cute, like adorable. 2 mascaras is what you need. So basically the whole look is you talk with your eyes, and to talk with your eyes you need really great mascaras. And for this I am using Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I love the handle. I think it's called the handle, the spatula, whatever. I love this thing. And it's an old mascara, so it's dried out completely. It doesn't have anything inside it. But this is a new mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof whatever mascara. But it's very thick. It's like really thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you what I usually do. I'm going to take the dry mascara first. इसमें मतलब जो साइड में प्रोडक्ट है whatever, मैं इसको थोड़ा घिसती हूँ निकालने के लिए. इसका भी EMI लेना पड़ता है. I'm just gonna like put it here. I'm gonna take the other one and मैं इसका handle से I'm just gonna take out some product from here. I don't want a lot of product because this is genuinely really thick and इसका consistency is like too much, so the eyes feel really heavy. So I always take it out from here, and now I go in with this mascara. I'm gonna just take like a powder. Although it toot gaya mera. Supposed to. Oh yeah, it's from Nykaa. Nykaa, if you want to send me a new one, I would love that. Just saying. I'm gonna just go under my eyes क्योंकि मुझे इधर बहुत crease आते हैं. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. It is great. I love using it. I know a lot of people said it didn't work for them, but it works really well for me, especially when I have to create that base. I'm gonna just like put thoda sa here. It gives me the base that I need basically, which is more than enough. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm not done. Go in with this blur lipstick. Wow, blur हो रहा है. Sorry. बहुत टाइम हो गया इस लिपस्टिक को, as you can see. So मैं इसको सिर्फ टैप कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं कहीं इवेंट्स में जा रही होती हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे को बहुत ऐसा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग लिपस्टिक चाहिए होता है, मैं कहीं बाहर जा रही होती हूँ, then I do like a full smudge. पर अभी मैं घर पर ही हूँ and the look का vibe is very like soft core and all. So just like tap 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 tap. Your lips should never look like they have lipstick on. It should always look like someone has kissed you, even if that's not the case. See, थोड़ा सा of course, how can I live without this? Oxygen कैसे आएगी मुझे अगर मैं ये ना करूँ तो? I did it in my last video also. I don't know. I'm going to take this brown eyeliner and I'm going to use it as a lip liner. क्योंकि मुझे अपनी स्किन की बिल्कुल परवाह नहीं है and so far it works really well for me. गाइस जो मैं अपनी फ़ोन की स्टोरेज को अब्यूज़ कर रही हूँ ना, मतलब ऑस्कर. Finally, you can go in with any lip gloss of your choice. My top picks would be Kiko Milano, Fay Beauty lip gloss. You can also use Maybelline's lip gloss, what I'm using right now. But I wanted like thoda sparkles. So I'm using Maybelline. Cute. I think it looks fab. I look adorable as fuck. Now I will go get dressed, then I will shoot some videos, and then I will go pick up Mrs. Ruchi Garg. Stay tuned because I will do another vlog with my family on Christmas. Oh, by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you. Bye.